Children, you are welcome to this mathematics class. Once again, we shall start the same exercise, that is 1.3, question number 15 of exercise number 1.3. So it is too long, the length. Question is the lengthy question. I'll read out once. Okay. What it states: a contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? Did you understand? So what do you mean by this? A contractor who is constructing a building, he has to hand over the building on the specified day. But if he has delayed, for each day he has to pay 50 rupees penalty starting from 200. Okay, if that is the case, if he has delayed by 30 days, how much penalty he has to pay, we have to calculate. If that is the case, the first starting day, that is first day, if he has delayed one day, he has to pay for the first day 200 rupees, isn't it? The next day it is 250. The second day it is, the third day it is 300, like that. So if that is the case, the AP comes like this. That is, the AP is like this. That is 200, 250, 300, etc. Isn't it? So given like this, the penalty for the first day it is 200, second day it is 250, third day it is 300, and so on. That means in this arithmetic progression, first term A is equal to 200, common difference is 50, number of days, that is n is equal to 30, then S30 is equal to question mark. Clear, children? So here you see the AP is like this. So what we have to use here, the formula what we have to use here, it is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is it clear, children? Okay. So n is 30 because it is 30 days. Okay. So n by 2 means it is 30 by 2 into 2 into a is equal to 200 plus number of n is equal to 30 minus 1 into the common difference is 50. Okay. Now, the next step, S30 is equal to 2 ones are 2 15s are 30, so 15 comes here. So 2 into 200 is equal to 400 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into 50. So S30 is equal to 15 into 400 plus 29 into 50. If you multiply, so you will get 1450. Clear, children? So in the next step, S30 is equal to 15 into, if you add 400 plus 1450, it becomes 1850. Now what we have to do? So S30 is equal to multiply 15 and 1850. You will get, so 27,750 if you multiply these two. Okay. So that means what? So after the delay of 30 days, he has to pay rupees 27,750. Is it clear, children? So how much he has to pay? He has to pay 27,750 for the delay of 30 days. Is it clear, children? Okay. Take down, children. Okay, children, we shall continue now for the next sum, that is 16th sum in this exercise. So, what it tells us? Let us see. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of the each prizes. Okay, so that means the total cost of the prizes is 700 rupees. How many prizes has to be given? 7 prizes has to be given. Okay, what is the condition here? Each prize is, the cost of each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, means cost of the preceding price. Understood, children? Okay, how to solve this? Let us see now. Okay. Okay, children, you understood the meaning of the statement of this question. Okay, let us solve this. Okay. So, what is given there? The sum of all prizes is equal to rupees 700. Okay. Let us consider the cost of first prize be A. Okay. So, let the cost of first prize be A. Then, what is the difference between any two prizes? It is 20 rupees less than its previous price, cost of previous price, isn't it? So, therefore, the second price, cost of second price is equal to rupees A minus 20. That means 20 rupees less than the previous price. Okay. Third price is 20 rupees less than the cost of the second price. That is, second price is A minus 20. Third price is A minus 20 minus 20, and third means it is minus 40, and so on. Okay. So, if that is the case, what is the first term? First term is A. What is the common difference? The common difference is minus 20, and third, in number of terms, there are 7 prizes are there, therefore n is equal to 7, and the sum of all the rupees is 700 rupees, isn't it? Understood all these things. Now, to find here, what we have to find out is, let us first, we shall find out what is A, that is cost of the first prize. Okay. So, for that we have to use the formula, that is sum to n terms. Okay. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. Okay. Substitute all these values, then yes, n is equal to 7, so it becomes S7 is equal to n is equal to 7, so n by 2 becomes 7 by 2 as such. A we don't know, that we have to calculate, isn't it? Plus n means 7 minus 1 into d is equal to minus 20. Understood, children? So then S7, it is nothing but a sum of all the prices is equal to rupees 700. So in place of S7 we have to write 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a minus, look at this, plus into minus is minus, 7 minus 1 is 6 into, that is minus 20, or else if you want you can also write this as, it is plus 6 minus 7 minus 20 also, okay, if you want. So now what happens here in the next step, I am sending this 7 by 2 to the left hand side of equals. So what it becomes? The multiplication becomes division. That means 2 will go to the numerator and 7 will come to the denominator. Okay. So then it becomes 2 by 7. 7 by 2 becomes 2 by 7 into 700 is equal to 2a plus into minus is minus 6 into 20 is equal to minus 120. Okay. Here that is 7 ones are 7, 7 hundreds are 700 is equal to 2a minus 120. So here it is 2 into 100 is equal to 200 is equal to 2a minus 120. I will reverse this order, means right hand side I'll write in the left hand side, left hand that I will write in the right hand side, means reversal. So what it becomes? 2a minus 120 is equal to 200. Now I am sending this minus 120 to the right hand side of equals, then minus 120 becomes plus 120. Clear, children? So then the value of a is equal to, so 200 plus 120 is equal to 320. 320 divided by 2. If you divide 320 by 2, that is, it gives 160. That means the first term, that is a, is equal to 160. A is equal to 160. That means cost of the first prize is rupees 160. After knowing the value of a is equal to 160, we have to find out all other prices, the cost of all other prices, or the value of all other prices one by one. So the value of each prize, that is first prize, that is nothing but a, is equal to rupees 160. Next, second prize is equal to rupees 160 minus 20. Why we have to subtract 20? Because every price, the cost of every price is 20 rupees less than the cost of previous price, isn't it? So therefore it is rupees 160 minus 20, that is equal to rupees 140. The cost of second prize is rupees 140. Next, cost of third prize is equal to rupees 140 minus 20 is equal to rupees 120. Similarly, fourth prize, cost of fourth prize is equal to rupees 120 minus 20, that is equal to rupees 100. Cost of fifth prize is equal to 100 minus 20 is equal to rupees 80. Sixth prize is rupees 80 minus 20, that is equal to rupees 60. And the last prize, that is seventh prize, is equal to rupees 60 minus 20 is equal to 40. So these are the values of each prize out of 7 prizes. Understood, children? Okay, write it 1 or 2 times. You read, once say 1 or 2 times, you see this video and then you work out. Okay? Okay, children. You take down, children. Okay, children. We shall move on to the next sum, that is 17th sum in this exercise. So let us see what it states. So it states that in a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? Clear, children? So what it is? A school wants to plant trees to reduce air pollution. Now what is the condition here? So here a section of a class will plant trees as the class it is. For example, a section of class 1 plant 1 tree, section of class 2 plant 2 trees, and a section of class 3 plant 3 trees, and so on till 12th class. Clear, children? But here there are 3 sections in each class. So tell me now how many plants they are going to plant. That means first standard there are 3 sections are there, therefore they are going to plant 3 trees, like that. Okay, let us see now how to solve this. Children, see here how many classes are there? There are 12 classes are there, right from first standard to 12th standard. Therefore, the number of classes are 12. Okay. Next, number of plants planted by class 1. How many? There are 3 sections are there. Each class is having 3 sections. So, class first into 3 is equal to 3. Clear? So next, number of plants planted by class 2, that is 2 into 3 sections is equal to 6 plants. Next, the number of plants planted by class 3 classes, class 3 into 3 sections is equal to 9, and so on till the class 12 it goes. So similarly, in this way, the number of plants planted by class 12 is equal to class 12. There are 3 sections are there. 12 3s are 36. So class 12 will plant 36 plants. So if that is the case, totally how many plants they have planted, we have to calculate. So if we write this in the form of AP, the arithmetic progression will be like this, that is 3, 6, 9, etc., etc., 36. There are 12 terms are there because 12 classes are there, so it is 12 classes. So therefore, A is equal to 3, D is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, number of terms, that is number of classes is equal to 12, first standard to 12th class 12, and sum of all the plants planted by each class we have to calculate, that is S12 we have to calculate. Understood, children? So for that we have to use the formula sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay, so the formula states that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute all the values in this formula, then n is equal to 12, so it becomes S12 is equal to n by 2 means it is 12 by 2 into 2 into a is equal to 3 plus n is equal to 12, 12 minus 1 into the common difference is 3. Okay. Therefore, in the next step, S12 is equal to, here we can divide 12 by 2, that is 2 1s are 2 6 are. So therefore it is S12 is equal to 6 into 2 3s are 6 plus 12 minus 1 is equal to 11 into 3. Okay. So S12 is equal to 6 into 6 plus of 11 3s are 33. Okay, 11 3s are okay. S12 is equal to 6 into 6 plus 33. Then S12 is equal to 6 into 6 plus 33 is equal to 39. Therefore, S12 is equal to, if you multiply 6 with 39, so it becomes 234. That means that all the classes together they planted 234 plants. So therefore, the total number of plants planted in the school from each class, that is equal to 234. Understood, children? So the total number of plants planted is 234. Is it clear, children? Okay, take down, children.